Pressure wash the engine bay. Working on a diesel engine in the dirt is a recipe for internal disaster. Ensure you have the specifics.
The external strip down. You have to clear the jewelry before you get to the heart of the engine. Drain the oil and the coolant. Remove the radiator and disconnect the fuel lines.
Now we get into the heavy lifting. Remove the turbocharger and manifolds. Lift the cylinder head and inspect the gasket.
Check the head for flatness using a straight edge and feeler gauges. The 5075E uses wet liners. Check for
Gadgets. Ensure the ring gaps are staggered. Place a new, dry head gasket. Use a calibrated torque wrench. Here is the step-by-step breakdown of a professional-grade engine repair.
Thank you.